Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. I want to show you a great example of the power of Intelligent Breakout. I sent out a setup alert or a trade alert earlier today, and that is to sell the S&P 500 or one of the stock indices. They're very highly correlated. And you can see here, nice 60-minute bearish yellow hat doji. That's a value candlestick. That's a powerful indicator that we teach here at ValueCharts.com. And that's this bar directly below this red arrow. So that is my sell setup right here. And I broadcasted a sell setup alert here to our users. 60-minute yellow hat doji on the S&P 500 futures. Okay, you can see now, let's go to my actual trading chart. I actually took these trades. You can see now that basically I am getting short when I cross this red line. This red line is my entry level right here. You can see right here I'm pointing to the red line, and that is skewed to be much more reactive to get me in much quicker. And this is a great strategy to get into a market close to the tops or bottoms. The blue line up here at the top is my exit line. You can see it's much slower to follow the market. And so that's part of the strategy. In fact, you can see my settings here. My inputs are 2 on the sell side, 50 on the buy side. That is skewed on purpose to increase the probability when I have a high probability setup situation, which I had. So let me see or show you how this turns out. Certainly I got whipsawed a few times, lost a few $100s here on 2 contracts, and then the trade really started to pick up steam and go my direction. Let me show you what happened here. Okay, I'm really compressing my screen here, but you can basically see right up here in the upper left-hand corner, that's where I was shorting. Look how close to the actual top I ended up selling. Literally within a few points of the top here is where I had my Intelligent Breakout strategy. I was actually using 250 tick charts, and this is part of the art of the strategy to determine which is the best to use there. But you can see that that worked out extremely well for me here on the short side. So I'm basically selling it as soon as the price crossed the red line there. That's my sell line. And then you can see that prices really started to come down here. You can see the trade really worked out nicely. So I ended up making around $3,400 on the trade. I went ahead and got out of that and looking to take home some nice profits this weekend. I think this will be a nice padding for me to initiate a longer term sell position, because I'm looking to be fairly bearish in the stock indices from the price action that took place today. So again, this is a great example of the power of Intelligent Breakout. I'm teaching tomorrow, so hopefully you can join me tomorrow at our workshop on Saturday. But if you can't, make sure you come to the paid workshop next week. I'm offering a special deal, $97, regularly priced at $300 or $297. So for $97, I will show you some great content, and you can see right here I made in this one trade going all the way down here. In fact, let me get a green line. I made $3,400 approximately on this shorting trade just with 2 contracts. So great stuff and very exciting, and I think you'll really enjoy it. It'll add a great dimension to your trading toolbox. So be sure to join me next week, especially in the paid event. I believe that's on March 26th. But come and check it out. Go to ValueCharts.com to find out more information on this. Have a great weekend and good luck trading.